Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to be going to the Sahara Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to be giving you a tour of the hotel and casino, and we're also going to be showing you the room that we stayed in.
This is reception.
This is the reception and check-in area. This hotel is small, but it does have a decent selection of eateries, including a Starbucks. Elevators. And then hers also where you
Yeah. No más.
And as we start to enter the casino, here on the right, we're gonna have Uno Mas street tacos and spirits, as well as Zephyr's Cafe. Buy one, get one free beers, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
And then half price cocktails from 3 to 5. And here on the left, we have Casa Bar Lounge.
This is where you go to get your rewards.
And here on the left is Chickies and Pete's, which we heard is pretty good. So let's go have dinner here.
So we ended up getting the boneless buffalo chicken bites, and then we got the basic order of french fries, the stare, and it does come with like some cheese sauce. So the chicken smells really good. So overall, a bill at the end for the fries and the boneless chicken wings was $36.85.
Now we're exiting Chickie and Pete's, and we're going to continue along with our walkthrough tour. fancy they don't even have prices. Crazy.
And then we'll be good. High roller room. And then this is like another bar. What's over here? Just Wheel of Fortune or something? This is a poker table. Poker. Yeah.
Now we're heading back through the casino towards the rooms and the reception area, and then we're gonna take you on a tour of our room.
This is going to be a tour of room 22211 here at the Sahara in Las Vegas. This is in the Alexandria Tower. So as soon as you come into the room, right on your right, this is where you're going to have your closet area. We did put down our bag, it's on like my camera bag, but apart from that, this area is completely open. You also have a full mirror here on this side. If you open up this door, this is where you have the bathroom. This is the toilet area. So you just have your toilet, your trash can, as well as a couple rolls of toilet paper. And it is kind of nice that you can close this door if you wanted your privacy. As you come in over here, this is, I guess, like the main part of the bathroom. This is where you're gonna have your mirror, as well as your sink. You're gonna have some tissue. Down here underneath the sink, you're gonna have your towels, your hair dryer, as well as some additional towels. You have a pretty big area, so you can put your makeup or like your toothbrush, whatever you put on the counter. You have Nectar hand and body lotion, as well as Nectar cleaning bar. And then, as you turn around, this is a pretty big walk-in shower. Does have a couple different shower heads. We go in the shower. You have a full line of more Nectar products. You have another bath and body bar. You have shampoo, conditioning, as well as body wash. This is when you get to the main part of the room. The room is pretty spacious. It's pretty unique, to say the least. It is a 1 king size bed. You do have a little, I don't know if this would be like a little writing desk, but you have like a little table here, as well as another full-size mirror. Lots of rooms, lots of mirrors in this bed. You have a little table. You have a really large,
Sectional something? Like, I don't even know what that would be.
you have a very large, I would assume it's a sectional sofa. I may be mistaken. You do have another full mirror on that side, as well as another table. Only that one has a chair. Like I said before, the room is very unique. The light fixtures here are everything in this room is very unique. Ceiling, you also have a mirror, which I would assume is like a player's card. You have a cool little like speaker with the time in there as well. This looks into the shower, so you could play peekaboo if you wanted to play peekaboo in the shower. And then let's see, so you do have your phone here on this side of the room. You do have a USB here, it looks like, as well as 2 electrical sockets, so you could plug in your USBs if you needed more. There is some waters here, as well as your ice bucket. And you also have a mini fridge. It's on, so the mini fridge is on, it's completely empty. It looks like, I think there was supposed to be like a drawer, like a shelf that comes out of here, but it's not there right now. And it's a really interesting room. I know when we looked at the room before we came here, we saw a video of this room, and I thought from looking at the video that the walls were wallpapered, but it looks like it's just a sheet that they put on the walls, which is interesting. Something else to note is behind where the TV is, it looks like the window goes all the way through, but it doesn't. There's a wall right behind it. So that's why the TV kind of looks like it's in a weird placement. This is our view from our room. It might be hard to see because of the lights in the background, but we're overlooking like Circus and Resort World area over there. So it's the front of the Sahara. You can kind of see the pool area down there. They did say the pool is closed while we are here. So since we are only here for 2 nights, our taxes and fees for the hotel here was about $100. They did say that it is free parking for guests here at the Sahara. But when we drove in, it didn't look like there was anywhere for you to pay or take a ticket, so it may just be free parking normally. Something I like about this hotel is a very old hotel. This hotel was built in the 50s. It looks like they've done a really good job of refreshing the hotel, like making it more modern. And I really like how unique this room is. I don't think I've been in a room this unique ever, so it's very cool. All right guys, so it is our checkout day today. We were here at the Sahara for 2 days. Overall thoughts was that it's a really nice and clean hotel. We don't have any complaints about the room. Our room is right off of the elevator, and normally you get the loud dings and stuff all night, but we heard no one, so it was really nice, really quiet. The room itself was pretty clean. It was a pretty spacious room. We did eat at the Chicken Pete's. Overall, for that restaurant, I would pass on it. It was a little pricey. We didn't really get a whole lot. The buffalo chicken was just average buffalo chicken. I don't think it was worth like 25 bucks. And the french fries were good, but I don't think they were worth $10 either. The monorail is $5 for a one-way, so if you wanted to, you could take the monorail to the Strip, get off and go eat at any of those restaurants there. It was really nice to have the monorail here. Yesterday we spent the whole day going back and forth on the monorail and checking out the different hotels. So it's really convenient, so that's a big plus. Our room here at the Sahara was comped for 2 days. We did have to pay taxes and fees on the resort. Overall, I think I would stay here at this hotel again. The rooms, like I said, were really decent. They were pretty spacious. The hotel is small, but having the monorail here was a big benefit to it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I know that every YouTube video says that, but it really does help our channel and push our videos out. We will be doing and releasing more Vegas content, so if you like Vegas, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please check out any of our other Vegas videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.